Okay, guys. So I told you that in unit number 10, we're going to talk about places, right? So the title is How Do You Get to the Mall? Okay, so let's look at the first picture. What is it? Very good. It is a mall, right? So repeat, mall. Let's look at the next picture. What is it? It is a movie theater. Repeat, movie theater. Next, let's look at the picture. What is it? It is a park. Repeat, park. Next one, what is it? It is a restaurant. Repeat, restaurant. Next, what is it? It is a supermarket. Repeat, supermarket. Now look at the picture. What is it? It is a museum. Repeat, museum. So what is it? It is a convenience store, right? Like the Oxxos, smaller than a supermarket. What is it? It is traffic, right? Next one. In this picture, we have on the corner of. What does it mean? En la esquina, ¿cierto? Okay, so next one. Eco-friendly, right? Next. Let's repeat some prepositions. Repeat. Over. Over means that you are not touching, right? Something. You are just over. Around. Into. Out of. In front of. In. Down from. Next to. On. Behind. Inside. Under. Between. Through. I need that you copy those pictures in your notebook, please. Right? Now, let's go to the next exercise. In the next exercise, we have, where is the dog? Look at the dogs have a different number. For example, the first dog is the dog that is in the red box, right? Then number 2 is the green one, number 3, the yellow one, number 4, the pink one, number 5, the purple one, number 6, green, number 7, blue and orange, right? Okay, so let's see. Match the prepositions of place to the correct pictures. The first preposition is among. So which one is among? Number 1, number 2, which one? Number 8. It is among the boxes, right? Behind. Which one is behind? Number 3, right? Which one is between? Between. Number 7. Which one is in? Number 1. In front of. Number 5. Next to. Number 6. On. Number 2. Over. Number 9. under number 4. Okay, guys, so let's check the difference between where is and how do I get. So we use the question where is plus the place, for example, where is the bank, where is the school, where is the museum, to ask the specific location of a place. Where is the mall? It is in front of McDonald's. We use the question, how do I get to, plus the place. For example, how do I get to school? How do I get to the movie theater? How do I get to museum? To ask the directions to get to one place. For example, how do I get to the mall? Go left on Main Street and go past the supermarket. So we're going to use where to know the specific location, and we are going to use how do I get to ask the directions, right? So now, on the next exercise, we have to look at the map. In the map, we have different places, right? So you have to circle through or you have to circle false. So on your notebook, you are going to write numbers from 1 to 4, and you are going to write the answer, right? So write number 1, just the answer. The police station is between the bank and the store. Look at the picture. Look, where is the police station? So is it between the bank and the store? True, right? The police station is between the bank and the store. The train station is on Central Avenue. So write the answer in your notebook. The train station is on Central Avenue. The train station is the yellow one, right? Yes or no? Yes, right? It is true. The train station is on Central Avenue. The bank is next to the post office. So bank is the red one. So is it next to the post office? No, right? It is false. The library is in front of the hospital. So the library is the green one. So is it in front of the hospital? No, right? That's false. Now, let's answer the next exercise. In the next exercise, guys, you have to circle the correct preposition. Again, just write numbers from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your notebook. And then write the answer, just the answer, right? So number 1, the drugstore is between or is among the post office and the movie theater. So look at the picture. Is it between or is it among? So the drugstore is between the post office and the movie theater. Remember that we use between when they are just two, right? And among when there are more. Number 2, the school is in front of the restaurant or the school is next to the restaurant. So look at the picture and write the answer on your notebook. The school is next to the restaurant. Number 3, the church is on the hospital or the church is in front of the hospital. So look at the picture and write the answer. That's right. The church is in front of the hospital. Number 4, the post office, the brown one, is behind the school or is under the school. The post office is behind the school. Number 5, the police station is among Main Street or the police station is On Main Street. Very good. It is on Main Street. Now, on your notebook, you're going to write 3 questions and the answer using where is and the places that are circled. For example, number 1 is Chinese restaurant. In your notebook, you're going to write where is the Chinese restaurant? And you're going to answer it is blah, blah, blah. Then you're going to write where is the park? And then you're going to answer, right? And also about grocery store. If you want to do more, you can do it, right? So thank you and see you next class. Please do your homework.